Welcome to today's video. Private jets are some of the luxurious assets that the rich acquire for comfort or wealth. Private jets are mostly owned by politicians and businessmen, but pastors have also joined them. This video shares rich Nigerian pastors who own private jets. Subscribe to this channel for this and more. 1. Bishop David Oyedepo. Bishop Oyedepo has 4 private jets, the Nigerian Info reported. He also has a private hangar at the Murtala Muhammed International Airport in Lagos. Oyedepo's private jets include the Bombardier Challenger 604, Grumman Gulfstream 1, Gulfstream 4 and Gulfstream 5. According to Liberty Jet, it may cost around $4,250,000 to buy a Bombardier Challenger 604. The Gulfstream 1 was the first U.S. twin-engine corporate transport to be certificated to cruise at 30,000 feet, this is according to airliners.net. As the first in the Gulfstream line, the G1 established the basic fuselage cross-section that carries through today to the Gulfstream 4 and 5. Other features were the Rolls-Royce Start turboprops, which gave the one good high-speed cruise performance, and an auxiliary power unit allowing independent operations from remote strips, providing power for the air conditioning and electrical systems prior to engine start. According to Liberty Jet, the total annual budget for flying a Gulfstream G5 private jet 200 hours per year is approximately $1,549,861 or $2,447,048 for flying 400 hours per year. The maximum speed of the Gulfstream G5 is 585 miles per hour, but with slower climb, cruise and descending speeds it is more likely to average 468 miles per hour, which would equate to an average cost per mile of approximately $16.56 at 200 hours per year. According to Liberty Jet, the total annual budget for flying a Gulfstream 4 private jet 200 hours per year is approximately $1,398,875 or $2,232,913 for flying 400 hours per year. The maximum speed of the Gulfstream 4 is 552 miles per hour, but with slower climb, cruise and descending speeds it is more likely to average 442 miles per hour, which would equate to an average cost per mile of approximately $15.84 at 200 hours per year. The purchase price for a Gulfstream 4 private jet range between $1,500,000 and $2,900,000. Take a look at photos of Oyedepo's jet. 2. Pastor Enoch Adeboye. The Nigerian Info reported that Pastor Adeboye has 2 private jets allegedly worth $65 million. Adeboye's private jets include a Gulfstream 550 tail number N730EA, and Gulfstream 4, tail number N707EA. According to Gulfstream, the G550 has the efficiency to fly 6,750 nautical miles or 12,501 kilometers non-stop, but also is capable of operating out of short-field, high-altitude airports. The G550 can transport up to 19 passengers and still has the range to fly non-stop more than 12 hours. Check out some of his jet photos. Three. TB Joshua. Pastor TB Joshua has 1 private jet, a Gulfstream 550, the Nigerian Info reported. Here are some photos of his jet. Pastor Chris Oyakhilome. Pastor Chris has a private jet but has chosen to keep the details a secret, the Nigerian Info reported. Have a look at some of his Five. Pastor Ayo Oritsejafor. Pastor Ayo has 1 jet, a Bombardier Challenger 601, the Nigerian Info reported. He claims the jet was given to him as a gift by some of his wealthy church members. According to Liberty Jet, it may cost at least $780,000 to buy a Bombardier Challenger 601. See some of his jet photos. Thank you for watching.